Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of laid back video where I do this face mask that I got. This is the rose face mask. It's from the brand Fresh. I've never tried this before, so this is basically gonna be my first impressions. I'll let you guys know like if it helps me or not, if it's worth the money. The packaging is like pretty heavy, it's pretty sturdy. This is what it looks like when you open it. There's like a little seal. And then it's like really liquidy looking in there. It's like kind of brown too. So I'm going to be doing a review like I already said. And I kind of like Jeffree Star's review like style. Like he goes through the product, he reads it online and like says what it's supposed to do and then he tries it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. This says that it's good for all skin types. It says that it's a cult favorite, hydrating and toning gel mask infused with real rose petals, soothing rose water, and a smart algae that delivers optimum moisture. It also has cucumber extract and aloe vera. It says you can use it every day. And then under beauty tips it says, lightly mist fresh rose floral toner on your face as a mask primer before applying rose mask. I don't have the exact product that they're talking about. I think they're talking about the one from the same brand, but I do have this, which is like also a rose spray, so like I guess can do this. Okay, it also says put this mask in the fridge to enhance its cooling sensation, but I didn't know about that until now, so I guess we're not gonna do that. Okay, we'll see if all these claims are real or not. The only makeup I have on right now is my eyebrows. So yeah, I've been just letting my skin breathe. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I guess I'm just gonna put my finger in here because they don't give you like a little spatula or anything. We're just gonna put this baby on my face. It low-key feels like a moisturizer. Like it's kind of just absorbing into my face. It smells like roses and like maybe some kind of like herbs or whatever. I don't know. It's not my favorite smell, but at least it doesn't smell bad. Like, it smells pretty good. Wow, that was a lot. Okay, I don't know how much I'm supposed to do. Okay, it says to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna do about like 10 minutes, maybe less. This is the fun part where you don't have to do anything and you just like let the mask absorb into your skin. So we're just gonna chill out. I don't know if you can tell how it looks on my skin. Looking in the mirror, it kind of just looks like dirt or like honey or something on my face. It actually feels really refreshing and like it feels really cool on my face. How have you guys been? I have a class in like an hour or something, like a little over an hour. I don't want to go. It's like one of my worst classes that is so fucking boring. Like I don't know. Some classes I actually find interesting and I like don't mind doing the work for them, but the ones that are like boring, I just like I don't want to do that shit, you know? Like it's so lame. What is everyone gonna be for Halloween? I don't know what I want to be yet. I have like a couple ideas, but if I want to do something like with my makeup, then I think I want to definitely practice like before the actual time I have to like do it for Halloween, you know? Last year I was like a fairy and that was like a simple look, like it was fun. I think it's like really easy, honestly, like if you guys want to do that, like deadass, just like put some like pretty eyeshadow on. Like I used purple eyeshadow and then I got like real actual glitter and I sprayed my face with setting spray and just stuck it like right on like on my highlight areas. It was really cute. Iconic, would recommend. I was like thinking about being Wonder Woman low-key just because like she's a badass and like I don't really like action movies, but I actually like that movie. But if I was Wonder Woman, that means I'd have to like go out and buy a costume and like I don't know if I want to do that. Like I don't like buying things that I'm only gonna use once. I don't know. I honestly don't even know what I'm gonna be for Halloween yet, so I'm just gonna let it be a surprise to everyone. Also, while I'm just sitting here, I got some new stuff from Sephora. It's not that new actually, but like I just restocked a couple products. This is my Born This Way foundation, my fave. And then I also got some lashes for just whenever I think I need them. I'm gonna try to do like a look soon, and like I'll use these. I don't really wear lashes, to be honest. Like I don't know how to put them on quickly. It takes me fucking forever, and that just like defeats the whole purpose for me. Like I don't like spending time doing that, like when I could just do mascara. But I definitely do agree that lashes like enhance your look for sure. This mask hasn't dried down at all. It's still really wet. I don't think it'll ever dry down like in the amount of time that they want you to keep it on. I don't know if you guys watch Brandy TV, but I've been watching her lately, and she's really fucking funny. Like, for those of you who don't know her, she basically like takes an edible and then she does makeup, or she like fucks around. She does like something, but the point of it is that she gets high before, and I thought that was funny. Like, low-key inspired by her. We'll see what happens coming soon. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back for my final thoughts. I also forgot to mention that this product is $25 at the retail price. So when I was washing it off my face, it felt like really good and like smooth and stuff, and I like was hoping that it would like kind of still feel like that. I'm definitely gonna try it again, like see if it works, if it like improves my skin or not. I don't know. I have dry skin, so I don't know if this actually hydrated my skin or not. Like, it still kind of looks the same. I want it to be like nice and glowy for my statistics class, but I guess that's not gonna happen. To be fair, my skin does feel soft, but it felt pretty soft before. I don't know, man. I suck at reviews. This is my first review. Okay, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I hope you had a fun time just kicking back with me, putting on a face mask. I'll see you bitches later. I'm hoping I can film my next video on like a Halloween look or something. Like, we'll see what happens, TBH, I don't know, but like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.